The African wilderness is home to some of the most awe-inspiring creatures on Earth, and among them, the hippopotamus stands out as one of the most remarkable. Despite their often gentle appearance when submerged in water, these giants of the wild possess extraordinary characteristics that contribute to their distinction as one of Africa's most iconic and powerful animals. Hippos, scientifically known as Hippopotamus amphibius, are remarkable not only for their size but also for their unique adaptations to aquatic life, social behaviors, and important ecological roles. When you think of the African wilderness, your mind likely races to images of lions, elephants, or gazelles. But there is another giant that roams these lands, often overlooked, but no less impressive: the hippopotamus. These creatures, with their barrel-shaped bodies and stout legs, might seem cumbersome, but don't let that fool you. Hippos are the third largest living land mammals, outweighed only by elephants and some rhinoceros species. Their jaws, capable of opening to a terrifying 180 degrees, are armed with massive incisors and canines. While their bulk might suggest a sedentary lifestyle, hippos are surprisingly fast, especially on land. The African sun beats down relentlessly on the savanna, but for the hippopotamus, relief is just a plunge away. These giants are masters of the water, spending a significant portion of their lives submerged in rivers, lakes, and swamps. Their nostrils, eyes, and ears are strategically positioned high on their heads, allowing them to remain submerged while still keeping a watchful eye on their surroundings. Equipped with a special membrane, they can see clearly both above and below the water's surface. This adaptation is crucial for navigating their often murky underwater world and for spotting potential threats or prey. Hippos can stay submerged for up to 5 minutes on average, and even longer if needed. They have a slower metabolic rate when submerged, and their blood has a higher capacity for carrying oxygen. These adaptations allow them to conserve oxygen and extend their time underwater. Their wide, webbed feet act like paddles, propelling them through the water with surprising grace. This webbing also helps to distribute their weight evenly, preventing them from sinking into the muddy bottoms of their watery homes. The hippopotamus's adaptation to aquatic life is a testament to the power of evolution. The African wilderness can be a noisy place, a symphony of roars, chirps, and calls. Beneath the water, hippos communicate subtly. Hippos are social animals, living in groups called bloats. They have a complex social structure with unique vocalizations. As the sun sets, you hear grunts, honks, and wheezes. These sounds echo across the water. Hippos use these calls to maintain contact and signal alarm. They also use visual signals like posture and facial expressions. A yawning hippo often displays aggression. Spraying dung marks territory and signals presence. Males are territorial and engage in aggressive displays. Despite aggression, hippos benefit from group living. The African wilderness is a delicate web of interconnected ecosystems. Hippos are keystone species, profoundly impacting their environment. They are ecosystem engineers, shaping their surroundings. At dusk, hippos graze on lush vegetation. Their grazing maintains open areas and promotes plant diversity. Hippo dung enriches the soil, supporting aquatic plants. This provides food for fish and invertebrates, supporting larger predators. Hippos' movements improve water flow and oxygenation. Their presence is crucial for maintaining biodiversity in African rivers and lakes. The African sun beats down, its heat unforgiving. But for the hippopotamus, lounging in the cool water, the scorching temperatures are just another challenge overcome by their remarkable physiology. Their bodies, perfectly adapted to their semi-aquatic lifestyle, are a testament to the power of evolution. One of the most striking features of a hippopotamus is its skin. Unlike most mammals, their skin is incredibly thick, reaching up to 2 inches in some places. This thick hide acts as a suit of armor, protecting them from predators and from injuries inflicted by rocks and other hazards in their environment. It also helps to prevent dehydration, a crucial adaptation in their hot, arid habitat. But their skin has another trick up its sleeve. It secretes a reddish, oily substance often referred to as blood sweat. This secretion is a natural sunscreen and moisturizer, protecting their skin from the harsh African sun and keeping it supple even after hours of basking on land. Their jaws, powered by massive muscles, are armed with huge incisors and canines, some growing over a foot long. Despite their formidable dentition, hippos are herbivores, their diet consisting mainly of grasses and other vegetation. The African wilderness, with its breathtaking landscapes and incredible biodiversity, faces an uncertain future. Human activities, from habitat destruction to climate change, are casting a long shadow over the continent's wildlife, and hippos, despite their size and strength, are not immune to these threats. These giants of the rivers and lakes, once abundant throughout sub-Saharan Africa, are now facing a growing number of challenges that threaten their long-term survival. One of the most pressing threats to hippos is habitat loss. As human populations grow and expand, they encroach upon the habitats of wildlife, converting wild spaces into farmland, settlements, and infrastructure. Rivers are dammed for hydroelectric power and irrigation, altering water flow and fragmenting hippo populations. As their habitat shrinks, hippos are forced into closer contact with humans, leading to conflict. Poaching also poses a significant threat to hippo populations. Their ivory teeth, highly prized in some cultures, are targeted by poachers, who often kill the animals solely for their teeth. Climate change adds another layer of complexity to the conservation challenges facing hippos. The hippopotamus, with its immense size, unique adaptations to water, complex social behavior, and important ecological role, is truly one of the most amazing animals in the African wild. These giants of the rivers and lakes hold a special place in the ecosystem, maintaining the health of their environment while displaying remarkable strength and resilience. Their awe-inspiring features continue to captivate scientists, conservationists, and nature lovers alike, underscoring the importance of preserving these incredible creatures for the future.